The wheelbase width of the BCS can be varied greatly according to the needs of the job at hand. One way is by inserting wheel extensions. Currently available extensions can widen the wheel stance by 4.5, 5.5, 16, and 22 inches. The only tool required is a 17mm deep socket with ratchet. Begin by shifting the wheels into one of the speed gears to prevent the wheels from rotating, and if present, activate the parking brake. Then use either a small floor jack or blocking under the engine to slightly elevate the tractor. Remove the 4 nuts and washers attaching one of the wheels to the tractor wheel studs, and remove the wheel. Here we are installing 4.5-inch wheel extensions onto a tractor with brake hubs, and the process is the same when installing the 4.5 or 5.5-inch wheel extensions onto a tractor without brake hubs. This is because these two smaller sets of extensions have a recessed section at their base to compensate for the raised embossment at the center of an axle shaft without brake hubs. However, if installing the 16 or 22-inch wheel extensions onto a tractor without brake hubs, you will need to use the included spacer plate to replicate this recessed section. When slid onto the wheel studs ahead of the extension, this plate ensures the proper alignment of the expanded wheelbase. Place one of the extensions onto the 4 studs. Secure with the included washers and nuts, and tighten completely. Replace the wheel and secure with the previously removed washers and nuts, and tighten completely. Repeat this process for the other side, and you're ready to go. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel for more. To contact us about the content of this video, please call 1-800-543-1040 or email info@bcsamerica.com. Thank you.